Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing and product review, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Oraimo Smart Trimmer 2 long lasting battery performance. This is under the Oraimo Smart accessory, and as usual, before we move on, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also don't forget to make use of the coupon code displayed on the screen right now. You see the one for Nigeria and for Kenya. And also guys, make sure you connect to us on WhatsApp by sending us I. You see the number displayed on your screen right now, and also on Viskit, you see the Viskit ID. You can also check the description section. So let's go there right away. So before we tour around the carton, let me just peel off the nylon. So yeah, we have the Oraimo Smart Trimmer. So let's just tour around the carton very quickly. So guys, first thing I want you to know is that here you can see the Smart Trimmer. Can you see it? You can see Smart Trimmer OPC TR12 multifunctional trimmer, and also we have some other types of smart trimmer too, but this particular type is a long lasting battery performance. Can you see it? With 3 guided combs, and also as usual you see it here, Oraimo Smart accessories. Can you see that? So let's take a look at here. You can see sold in 50 plus countries. You can see trusted by 200 million users, and as usual for Oraimo you always see keep exploring. So let's check here. Just have the as usual also Oraimo Smart accessories. So I think let's check here, and here we can see some of the features of this Oraimo Smart Trimmer, but we'll come back to that later. And at the back here we can see some few things we need to know about our smart trimmer, like the input voltage 5 volts. You can see rated power 5 watts, charging time 2 hours. So this is also part of the features of this smart trimmer. It has a charging time of 2 hours and has a full working time of 2.5 hours. So you can see Oraimo lab test results. That's the Oraimo lab test result for it. And as usual you also see the guarantee 365 days. So you can also connect to Oraimo with these 2 QR codes. You can connect to them on Instagram. You can also connect to them on Facebook, and you can also see the QR code for the authentication. You can scan it so as to check the product. So let's take a look at some few features of this Oraimo Smart Trimmer 2. You can see high performance rotor, yeah, and the second features is one of like the major features of this particular smart trimmer. It has an extra long lasting battery. You can see 2.5 hours, which is equivalent to 150 minutes. This is a very long lasting battery trimmer, and you can see multifunctional usage, and then you can see adjustable speed. You know, when you the power button, when you click on it once, like when you press it once, then you can see the low speed. Then when you press it the second time, like double press it, you can see the high speed of it. You can see travel lock and can see durable blades. Yeah, so these are the few features of the Oraimo Smart Trimmer. So guys, let's unbox this right away. Yeah, let's check out the main products. Can you see the smart trimmer? So I think we'll just come back to that. Let's check out the accessories that comes with it. Okay, so this for this. So first of all, I'll start with the manual. So let's just take some looks at the manual. So that's for the manual. So we have the lubrication oil, we have the lubricant. So we also have three guided combs. We have the 1 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm. So let's check it out. So okay, can you see the 1 mm? Can you see the 2 mm? And also can you see the 3 mm? Those are the three combs that comes with this smart trimmer. Also we have the type C cable. Can you see the type C cable? So these are the accessories that comes with it. Also we have the brush. Can you see the brush? So now let's come to the main product, which is the smart trimmer. So guys, this is the smart trimmer. Can you see it? So can you see Oraimo? So it also has this should I say lights. So when you on it, it's just gonna on. You can see the red white light. Then when you click on it again, when you press it again, I mean, you see it's red, and then the voice becomes more high. Yeah, so it is a extra long lasting battery smart trimmer. It makes sense, and then I just think right now we should check out how to charge the smart trimmer. So can you see it? So guys, right now I just want to charge my Oraimo smart trimmer. So first of all, I want you to know that the smart trimmer comes with an Oraimo cable, type C cable, which you can see here. uh Also, you can also see the charging ports here, right here. So I'm just gonna put the type C into that. Can you see? Then you have the other mouth of the cable, which is a USB, and I'm just gonna put it here. And then can you see charging? Can you see it here? It's charging. So that's how to charge your Oraimo smart trimmer. So guys, let's take a look at the price of the Oraimo smart trimmer 2. So the price of the Oraimo smart trimmer 2, you should see displayed on the screen right now, is just 17,515 naira. But I want you to know, like I've said in my last video, you check my YouTube channel, I said that the price of Oraimo changes a lot because I think the website is under a lot of development right now. So please, for right now, it's just 17,515 naira. It might change after some time. Thank you very much. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to make use of the coupon code you see displayed on your screen right now. You can also check the description section for it, and you can also see the affiliate link in the description section to buy your Oraimo smart trimmer 2 long lasting battery. And also don't forget to connect to us on WhatsApp. You see our WhatsApp number, send us hi. You can also connect to us on Viscuit. Go watch our shorts on Viscuit. So thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.